Hey guys, so this is Jesus is the best thing. So you start off like that, you just march it out and then back, you clap, and then you can freestyle your arms right here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and back it up. 6, 7, 8. One last time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here goes your verse. 2, 3, 4. Arms 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you go side to side, double, single, single, double, step. Again, 2, 3, 4. Arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side to side. 1, 2. You can modify your arms just like you're pushing something. 2, 3, 4 and arms up. 6, 7. Side to side again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you pretty much repeat this through this part. And then you see the arms, what I did there. You can change it up how you want it. Now this is chorus. Okay. 6, 7, 8, and we start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back it up. 6, 7, 8, and push side. The other side to me. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4 and clap. 6, 7, 8 and push to the side. Other side and 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and push it to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you notice, the song will start to fade out. So you can slow down in here. You can freestyle this or you can copy me. But basically, you want to do just a praise fest. Jesus is the best thing that happened to you. And you want to praise Him and honor Him for that. Good job, guys.
Come on, sing it just like that.